Testing of Fuji pressure transmitter. The transmitter has been set to a calibration range of input signal from 0 to 20 bar. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, a hydraulic hand pump, and a multimeter in order to measure the milliamp output. By using the hand pump, we can see that the input signal rises, and at 0 bar the output is 4 milliamp, and at 20 bar the milliamp output is at 20 milliamp. It is now clear that the pressure transmitter is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.